In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove Google account from your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. The easiest way to do so is swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. Once it is done, you need to scroll down all the way until you find Accounts and Backup. Just get into it. And then towards the very top, tap where it says Manage Accounts. What that will do, that will show you all the accounts you are signed on that particular device, such as Facebook, Gmail, Messenger, and a bunch of different other accounts. In here, we can easily find two of my Gmail accounts, and from here we can easily remove any of those accounts from the particular device. To do that, we need to tap at the account, and that's where we can easily find the Remove Account button. If you hit at Remove Account, it will say that removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. It means that that account will be removed from all the Google apps such as Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and others. However, it doesn't remove the account itself. It just removes it from your device. To continue, tap at Remove Account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.